Hey, this is Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona, and I want to introduce to you RevWood Plus from Mohawk. It's an American-made product. It's a waterproof wood-style flooring, fantastic for the kitchen and bathroom. Actually, it'd be good throughout your house. If you love your home, you're going to love RevWood Plus from Mohawk. Also, we offer the ultimate installation experience. What that is for this product, it's just $10.88 installed. And what that includes is we do the tear out of your tile and your carpet and no additional charge. We do toilet and appliance removal and replace them. We do trim and transitions. So we'll replace all the baseboards in your house with new 4 1/4 inch baseboards. And we do free furniture move. You also get a lifetime installation guarantee on Mohawk RevWood when you get it installed from Carpets of Arizona. Come on down to the showroom in Chandler or in Glendale and see what you have. We'll let you borrow a sample, see what it looks like in your home. You are going to love RevWood Plus in your home.